Hello and welcome to another video. This video is all about turning right from controlled crossroad. So let's get started without wasting any time. If there is someone ahead of you when you approach the traffic light to turn right before crossing the stop line, you need to make sure you have enough room so you don't stop on the pedestrian crossing. It is because if the vehicle ahead of you will delay turning for any reason, such as emergency vehicle or from oncoming traffic, anyone jump the red light. You may not be able to turn this time and have to wait until your light turn green again. If there is no oncoming traffic, you can keep going without stopping. When you are turning right from controlled crossroad, you should observe how many lanes going ahead from oncoming side so you don't obstruct them. While waiting in the middle, keep assessing oncoming traffic to find a safe gap to turn, and same time keep watching traffic light so you should know when it change. Once lights are changed, look for any oncoming vehicle which is behind the stop line to make sure they are slowing down to stop. If you can see they are started slowing down, you can start turning as you just have couple of seconds before traffic from left and right side will start moving. Let's have a look on this crossroad. In this one, two lanes are coming from ahead, but one of them can only turn right. So I can stop in front of that lane, but will keep other lane clear, which is going ahead. All controlled crossroad can be different, so you need to observe properly so you can find out where exactly you need to stop in the middle and wait for the safe gap. This is another type of controlled crossroad where oncoming traffic light is red and your light is green. As you can see, oncoming traffic is not moving. There is no sign which can tell you that oncoming light is red. The only way to find out is when your light is green but oncoming traffic is still waiting.